Hi, I'm Lindy Lou. I'm the artlerista for the play group at Small School. And our play group consists mainly of 1.5 to 3-year-olds. And I'm going to talk a little bit about the benefits of an atelier for this age group. What I will do in the morning is I will set up 2 or 3 provocations. The children have already been in here this morning, so it is a little bit untidy. But just to explain my process a little bit, so here we have a book by Eric Carlisle, and he uses different texture papers that he's painted, and he makes up the images for his books. It's very, very effective, it's very beautiful, it's very inspiring. So we have a book there to inspire the children, and then I've given them lots of different colored bits of paper. There is some glue, but with this age group, most of them, as you can see, will be happy just to cut. It's all about process, it's all about exploring and understanding and achieving, about being able to hold that scissors and do it. If you have a look here, I've set up Play-Doh with a few few objects that they can push into the Play-Doh, and it's all about the process of feeling the Play-Doh, seeing what happens when they push an object into the Play-Doh, and seeing where that will take them. And then something slightly more abstract. We have on this side buffalo, an image of buffalo, and then I've invited them to play. I've put some cows, some bulls, and a piece of fabric to suggest rolling hills. So this is an invitation to explore what would these animals be doing. And on this side we have some dinosaurs, and which almost every child is fascinated by dinosaurs, and then pens and a book. So, and then I've also put a rose, so that the children, it's all about looking at the dinosaurs, which, so if you have a look, most dinosaurs have sort of spikes or very interesting surface texture. So they're looking at the book, they're looking at the texture of the plastic animals, and then they're looking at the spikes on the rose. And all of this, it's all combined in their process of learning and exploring. And a lot of people may feel that these things are lost on children, but each little image in this environment, we keep it really beautiful, we keep it light and clean, so that every part of the atelier is inspiring. It all becomes part of the learning process, because we can never interpret what they are going to use as part of their learning process. So one would want to invite them to explore things from many different aspects in the atelier, and then use it in their learning process. And we see it in the children. We see some of the things that they say. We see the very intricate detail that they use in their drawings and in their sculptures. And if we look at their development from the beginning of the year to the end of the year, it is phenomenal. The progress, the difference in how they are using their mediums, how they are relating what they are experiencing day to day, and putting it onto paper. And that's all we ask for. We ask is that they use the atelier as one of their 100 languages. Paint, cookies, clay, Play-Doh, pastels, charcoal, all these beautiful, beautiful, high quality materials as an exploration of their environment and as a language that they use in their language.